So reminding you, actually, facing the right way. All right. So we introduced brackets yesterday to our collecting line terms, and we went through a couple of situations. I heard Chase talk about it. When we've got something plus things in brackets, Brooklyn, you with me? You zoned out. When you've got something plus something in brackets, it wasn't much different, was it? We just collected it together. And do you remember doing the check?
Yeah.
So Brooklyn, and right at the end, you were like, oh, that's what you do. So we can simplify 2a plus 2a plus 3 into 2a plus 2a is 4a, and we've got plus 3. What does simplifying mean? Well, it means we're making something quicker and easier to deal with. And we did a check. What do the 3 lines mean again?
They're equal. Like the simplifications are equal.
That they're exactly the same as each other. They're always equal to each other. So if I checked with a equals 6, I substituted the a with a 6, and the left-hand side, the unsimplified, would equal 27. The right-hand side, the simplified, should also equal 27. Otherwise, we've done something. And then we did another one, 2b's plus 4b's makes 6b, and then we've got subtract 5. We put b as 4. The left-hand side equaled 19. The simplified side also equaled 19, so we're good. And we did a few of those. And then I introduced you to one where we subtract. All right, so initially it looked the same. 12d's subtract 5d's is 7d. But we don't just have minus 7 on the end. Why is it plus 7?
Because it's
Because it's subtracting a negative, which is the same as adding a positive. Yeah, good. So it became 7. Do you remember we checked it and we got it equals 7 because we had the minus 7. And we had, I put this exclamation mark to say if you have a subtraction, be careful. Just take care. So we did a bit of that and a few practices. Now we've got another stage. What's happening here? Another circle.
so
Yeah, like it. Good use of words. Terms. So now we have 4a subtract 4 is added to 3a plus 7. Any ideas what you think we have to do now?
A equals.
oh wait.
We have to pick what A is.
Not yet, no.
And we have to do the simplified.
Simplify first. What do you think it is, Jake?
The simplified?
Yeah.
For 7 A's,
7 A's because,
4A plus
yeah,
7 is -11. Wait,
you're at negative 4 and you're adding 7 on. So you, positive 3. There's 7a plus 3, yeah? That's what we think?
Yeah.
Does everyone agree? So let's just do our check then. So we think 4a subtract 4 plus 3a's plus 7 should be exactly the same as 7a plus 3. How do we check we're right?
We do the other way,
What other way?
the non-simplified way.
We've got non-simplified and simplified. How do we check that they are the same thing?
do the question?
So,
Yeah, the non-simplified.
so a equals
Oh,
3.
2, 3. Let's do 3. Okay, and then we do 4 times 3 subtract 4 plus 3 times 3 plus 7. Okay. So I'm working down because obviously it should be the same as 7 times 3 plus 3. So let's work this side out. So 4 times 3 is... So the first set of brackets is 8 plus 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 16 equals 24. Okay? What does this side equal? 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. They are the same, so we are happy, we're good. Okay? So not much different there. Let's check the next one then. Let me. Have a look at it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think it's going to be. So I'm just going to add a page. So what do you think? 12D subtract 6 minus 6D subtract 2 is going to be?
Simplify.
Simplify it first, yeah.
60.
Write it down.
Oh, it could be 8. Is that what?
Mine's good with
Minus 2.
Yeah, so 12D subtract 6D is 60. Yeah. And then it's negative 6 subtract negative 2, which is minus 4.
Is it minus 4 or negative?
Oh,
Negative.
so we think they're both the same. How do we prove it?
Oh, yeah, we got it.
We're going to do D equals
2. No.
2 again. Oh. So we're going to do 12 times 2 minus 6 subtract 6 times 2 minus 2 will hopefully equal 6 times 2 minus 4, if we're correct. Yeah?
Yep.
12 times 2 is?
20.
24 minus 6 minus 6 times 2 is?
12.
12 minus 2 is? 24 minus 6 is? 18 minus 10 is? 8. Okay? And on this side, 6 times 2 is? 12. 12 minus 4 is? 8. So yeah, we're good. We think our simplification.
It makes it easy.
This exercise, we've just done those two. This exercise is in Teams and it's actually yesterday. I didn't know yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
So it's on Thursday channel. I'm thinking this will be relatively easy for you. Level 3, right? Level 3 is just what we call expanding brackets. Okay? Now this is a skill you really have to be able to do. So just put your laptop to one side. We're writing in our books. Books should be open. Have you written, write the first question.
It's bigger.
You're going to use mine. Yeah. And then you're going to apply what you do on mine to your own.
Do I write one?
Just do the first one now. Yeah. So I'll take a snip. No, come that over, and we'll do just this one. So what does this mean? It means multiplication. It means 4 lots of a plus 6. So another way of writing this would be a plus 6 plus another a plus 6 plus another a plus 6 that's sixes, not b's, plus another a plus 6. Now, we're never going to write this out like this again, but we're going to do it now just so we understand what it means. All right? Now, if we collect those together, that would be a plus a plus a plus a is that one, that one, that one, and that one, and then it's plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. All right? Which if we then simplify, we get 4a's plus 4 times 6, or 4a plus 24. Okay?
So what?
Why did you get all those A's and all those
Because I've got 4 lots of a plus 6. Yeah? So, one of them, 2 of them, 3 of them,
Easy.
4 of them. Now, if I collect the like terms, what we've been doing, A, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the A's, yeah? And 4 of the 6's. And when I collect and simplify, what does it end up being? It means 4 of the 8's, 4 of the 6's, and we get 4a plus 26. Make sense? So that is the same thing as 4a plus 6. Now, can you see a way of doing it without having to write all that out?
Yes. You just do 4 times A, 4 times.
Yeah.
The common mistake is to do 4 times the a and forgetting to do 4 times the 6. Okay? Let's have a look at the second. I think you're going to find,
1, 2, 3.
I think you're going to find this whole level relatively simple.
I use calculus.
Okay. Are you with me? Did I go too quick or?
No.
Oh, 14.
So it's going to be 7 lots of 2Ds. So we're going to have 14 Ds plus 7 lots of 3 is plus.
What? Please open our computer.
Just chill.
No, go to the computer. I'm not even.
I didn't say you had to close your computer, I just said put it to one side. Okay. Some people would call this the fireworks method. Fireworks? I don't, but some people do. What this is actually called is distributed.
Distributed brackets.
No.
Because you are distributing the 4 over the other 2 things. Again, I'm not too. Yeah.
Open.
So, yeah. Now, you can have a go. You might find this level easier than the other way. In fact, I do.
Okay.
I do actually think this level is easier. But level 3,